Just completed your COMEDK exam? Congratulations! Now comes the most important step, understanding your results and planning for the right college. In the next few minutes, let's break down the key facts you need to know. Clear, simple, and structured. The COMEDK exam was a computer-based test with 180 questions from physics, chemistry, and mathematics. You had 3 hours, roughly 1 minute per question. The scoring system is straightforward. 1 mark for every correct answer and no negative marking. This design rewards knowledge and also encourages educated guesses. Performance in COMEDK depends on 3 main factors. First, the no penalty system, where attempting all questions could work in your favor. Second, time management, allocating 1 minute per question across subjects. Third, familiarity with the computer-based test format, which reduced stress for many students. These elements shape how your score translates into rank. Let's take an example. A score of 100 in COMEDK generally falls between rank 3000 and 5000. This means several good colleges open up. However, the top computer science branches at institutions like RVCE or BMSCE usually require higher scores. So while 100 is competitive, it may not be enough for the absolute top programs. Now, let's look at college-wise opportunities based on rank ranges. RV College of Engineering, highly reputed, with mechanical, civil, and sometimes electronics and communication accessible. MS Ramaiah Institute of Technology offers strong options in mechanical, electronics, and information science with modern infrastructure. BMS College of Engineering, known for mechanical, electronics, and information science backed by industry collaborations. Dayananda Sagar College of Engineering. Computer science is possible for early ranks within 3000, with branches like information science, electronics, and mechanical also available. Each of these colleges carries strong reputation, but seat availability depends heavily on your exact rank. When selecting a branch, remember 3 guiding principles. First, align with your interests and long-term goals. Second, study past data on branch availability at your rank. Third, remain flexible during counseling, since seat upgrades and waitlist movements are common. The truth is, your career success will depend more on your dedication than the branch name itself. Counseling after COMEDK follows a step-by-step structure. Step 1, results declaration. Step 2, registration and choice filling. Step 3, multiple rounds of allotments. Across Karnataka, there are around 22,000 to 26,000 seats in roughly 150 to 219 private engineering colleges. This makes counseling highly competitive, so deadlines and documentation must be taken seriously. Some common doubts include: can lower scores still get opportunities? The answer is yes. Management quota and other private colleges provide pathways. How to handle counseling stress? Stay informed through official updates and always keep backup options. What if you miss a deadline? Unfortunately, missing it can cost your seat, so reminders are essential. Your immediate action points should be clear. 1. Check your official result and rank as soon as it is released. 2. Prepare all necessary documents in advance. 3. Research colleges and placement records before locking in choices. Remember, COMEDK is not the end but the beginning of your engineering career, with opportunities for innovation and growth ahead.